Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we learn standard 9th science unit 3 fluids lesson la book back answer full பார்க்கலாம் ஓகேவா? Okay, first Roman, choose the correct answer. First one, the size of an air bubble rising up in water. Answer 4 option கொடுத்திருப்பாங்கமா. Which answer correct? Answer B, increases. Okay. Second question, clouds float in atmosphere because of their low. Answer A, density. Third one, in a pressure cooker, the food is cooked faster because. Answer B, increased pressure raises the boiling point. Next, fourth one, an empty plastic bottle closed with an airtight stopper is pushed down into a bucket filled with water. As the bottle is pushed down, there is an increasing force on the bottom. This is because answer C, pressure increases with depth. Next, second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, the weight of the body immersed in a liquid appears to be less than its actual weight. Answer less. Second one, the instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure is dash. Answer barometer. Third one, the magnitude of buoyant force acting on an object immersed in a liquid depends on dash of the liquid. Answer density. Next, fourth one, a drinking straw works on the existence of dash. Answer atmospheric pressure. Next, third Roman, state whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, the weight of fluid displaced determines the buoyant force on an object. Answer true. Second one, the shape of an object helps to determine whether the object will float or not. Answer false. Correct statement, the density of an object helps to determine whether the object will float or sink. Next, third one, the foundation of high-rise buildings are kept wide so that they may exert more pressure on the ground. Answer false. Correct statement, they may exert less pressure on the ground. Next, fourth one, Archimedes' principles can also be applied to gases. Answer true. Fifth one, hydraulic press is used in the extraction of oil from oil seeds. Answer true. Next, fourth Roman, match the following. Question கொடுத்துருக்காங்க என்னன்னு இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இதோட ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு இங்கே பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒனுக்கு டென்சிட்டி மாஸ் பை வேல்யூம். ஆன்சர் டென்சிட்டிக்கு ஆன்சர் என்னம்மா? விச் ஆன்சர் கரெக்ட்? மாஸ் பை வேல்யூம். 1 GWT. இதோட இது என்ன வரும் ஆன்சர்? 989. நெக்ஸ்ட் பாஸ்கல்ஸ் லா, ப்ரெஷர் எக்ஸர்டட் பை எ ஃப்ளூயிட் என்ன வரும்? ஹெச்லம்டா G. நெக்ஸ்ட் லாக்டோமீட்டர் மில்க் வரும். இதான் இதோட ஆன்சர். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட் ஃபிஃப்த் ரோமன், ஆன்சர் இன் பிரீஃப். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், அண்ட் வாட்டர் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் த ப்ரெஷர் எக்ஸர்டட் பை த லிக்விட் டிபெண்ட்ஸ் ஆன். ஆன்சர், the pressure exerted by the liquid depends on the depth density of the liquid acceleration due to gravity. Next, second question, why does a helium balloon float in air? Answer, helium balloon floats in air because helium gas is less dense than air. Next, third one, why it is easy to swim in river water than in sea river. The question itself is wrong. The question enna, why it is easy to swim in sea water than in river water தான் correct question. அதோட ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். It is easier to swim in sea water than the river water. It is because sea water has greater density and larger buoyant force than river water. Next, fourth question, what is meant by atmospheric pressure? Answer, a pressure exerted by the weight of the atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. Next, fifth one, state law, Pascal's law. Answer, Pascal's law, the external pressure applied on an incompressible liquid is transmitted uniformly throughout the liquid. Next, sixth Roman, answer in detail பார்க்கலாமா? Okay, first question, with an appropriate illustration prove that the force acting on a smaller area exerts a greater pressure. Answer, first one, take a nail, it has two ends, one end is sharp and the other end is a blunt head. We usually keep the pointed end on the wall or wood and hammer on the blunt head. Third point, so very small area creates a large pressure Fourth point, thus the nail penetrates into the wall or wood. Second question, descripts and construction and working of mercury barometer. ஆன்சர் இந்த பேரோமீட்டர் இதை வந்து ட்ரா பண்ணி லேபிள் பண்ணுமா பேரோமீட்டரோட அமைப்பு உங்கள் புக்ஸ்லேயே கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்னது சர்ஃபேஸ் ஆஃப் மெர்க்குரி பாட்டம் பகுதியில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இதில் இருக்கும் சர்ஃபேஸ் ஆஃப் மெர்க்குரி இருக்கும் இந்த பகுதி. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அட்மாஸ்பரிக் ப்ரெஷர். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா இது எவ்வளோ மில்லிமீட்டர்னா 760 மில்லிமீட்டர் இருக்கும். நீங்கள் பாட்டமில் இருந்து நீங்கள் பாருங்கள் இங்கேருந்து ஹைட் லெவலில் 760 மில்லிமீட்டர். நெக்ஸ்ட் இங்கே நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன லேபிள் பண்ணணும், ப்ரெஷர் எக்ஸர்டட் பை த காலம் ஆஃப் மெர்க்குரி. ஓகேவா, இதை ட்ரா பண்ணி லேபிள் பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு மெர்க்குரி ஆஃப் பேரோமீட்டர் பார்க்கலாம். இட் இஸ் டிசைன்டு பை டாரிசெல்லி. கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் என்னது, mercury barometer consists of long glass tube closed at one end and open at other. Mercury filled through open end and close that end by thumb and open it after immersing it into a trough of mercury. Working, the barometer works by balancing the mercury in the glass tube against the outside air pressure. If air pressure increases, it pushes more of the mercury up into the tub. If air pressure decreases, more mercury drains from the tub. As vacuum cannot exert pressure, mercury in the tube provides a precise measure of air pressure, which is called atmospheric pressure. It is used in a laboratory or weather station. Next, third question, how does an object's density determine whether the objects will sink or float in water? Answer, whether an object sinks or floats is determined by density of the object compared with the density of liquid. If density of object is less than the density of the liquid, the object will float. Example, less density object wood will float on water. That if density of object is more than the density of liquid, the object will sink. Example, more dense objects don't sink into water. Fourth question, explain the construction and working of a hydrometer with diagram பார்க்கலாம். இதோட ஆன்சர் இதம்மா ஹைட்ரோமீட்டர். இந்த இமேஜ் ட்ரா பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா, ட்ரா பண்ணி அதோட பார்ட்ஸை லேபிள் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா, இது கீழே லீட் ஷார்ட்ஸ் வந்து கீழே இருக்கும். இந்த இமேஜ் பாருங்கம்மா, இந்த மாதிரி ட்ரா பண்ணணும். கீழே பார்த்தா எப்படி என்ன இருக்கும், லீட் ஷார்ட்ஸ் வந்து இருக்கும் ஹைட்ரோமீட்டரில். இது ஹைட்ரோமீட்டர். ஓகேவா, பர்பஸ் என்ன அப்படின்னா டு மெஷர் டென்சிட்டி ஆர் ரிலேட்டிவ் டென்சிட்டி ஆஃப் லிக்விட். பிரின்சிபல், the weight of the liquid displaced by the immersed portion of the hydrometer is equal to the weight of the hydrometer. Flotation principle. Construction, lower end of hydrometer, a cylindrical stem having a spherical bulb which partially filled with lead shots or mercury, which helps to float or stand vertical in liquids. Upper end of hydrometer, a narrow tube has markings so that relative density of liquids can be read off directly. The working, first point, liquid to be tested is poured into the glass jar. Second point, the hydrometer is gently lowered into the liquid until it floats freely. Third point, the reading against the level touching the tube gives the relative density of the liquid. Next, fifth question, state the laws of flotation. பார்க்கலாம். The answer, laws of flotation are, first one, the weight of a floating body in a liquid is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body. Second point, the center of gravity of the floating body and the center of buoyancy are in the same vertical line. The point through which the force of buoyancy is supposed to act is known as center of buoyancy. இதோட center of buoyancy image. Under water value இது buoyancy. Next, seventh Roman, assertion and reason type questions mark the correct answers. Assertion, first one assertion, another, to float body must displace liquid whose weight is equal to the actual weight. Reason, the body will experience no net downward force in that case. இதோட 4 option கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. Which answer correct? Answer A. If both assertion and reasons are true and reasons is the correct explanation of assertion. Next, second one, assertion, Pascal's law is the working principles of hydraulic lift. Reason, pressure is thrust per unit area. The answer என்ன வரும்? Answer B. If both assertion and reasons are true but reasons is not the correct explanation of assertion. ஓகேவா that ரீசனுக்காக சொல்லி Pascal's law is the working principles of hydraulic lift. In hydraulic lift, applied pressure is transmitted uniformly and multiple through our out the system. Next 8th Roman numerical problems கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா என்னென்னு பார்க்கலாம். First one, a block of wood of weight 200 gram floats on the surface of water. If the volume of block is 300 centimeter cube, calculate the upthrust due to water. பார்க்கலாமா இதோட ஆன்சர் பாருமா இதுதான் இதோட ஆன்சர் பார்த்துக்கலாம். வெயிட் ஆஃப் வுட் பிளாக் n is equal to 200 gram. Volume of the wood block V is equal to 300 centimeter cube. Upthrust is equal to weight of the fluid displaced equal to volume of the wood block. Upthrust is equal to how many? Answer என்னவா 300 centimeter cube. ஓகேவா இதுதான் இதோட ஆன்சர். Second question. Density of mercury is 13,600 kilogram m power minus cube. Calculate the relative density. இதோட ஆன்சர் பார்க்கலாமா. Density of mercury 13,600 kg m power minus 3. Density of water at 4 degree Celsius is equal to 1000 kilogram m power minus 3. Relative density and density of mercury by density of water at 4 degree Celsius. என்ன ஒரு ஆன்சர் 13,600 kg m power minus 3 by 1000 kg m power minus 3. Relative density 13.6. That is the answer. Okay, next third one, the density of water is 1 gram centimeter power minus 3. What is its density in SI units? Answer, density of water in SI units is equal to 1000 kilogram per m power cube. Next fourth one, calculate the apparent weight of food floating on water if it weighs 100 gram in air. Answer, mass of wood 100 gram. As the wood floats on the water, water will not be displayed. So actual weight of the wood is equal to apparent weight of food. Next 9th Roman, higher order thinking skills. First one, how high does the mercury barometer stands on a day when atmospheric pressure is 98.6 kPa? Then பார்க்கலாமா. Answer, pressure of atmospheric Pascal TM 98.6 kPa. Density of mercury pH under sigma Hc 13.6 into 10 power 3 kg per centimeter cube. Okay va. As a lesson due to gravity, G is equal to 9.8 m power s squared. Pressure P ATM என்ன வரும் H into G. H equal to P ATM pH by into G is equal to 98. இதான் formula 98.6 kPa divided by 13.6 into 10 power 3 into 9.8 ms power minus 2. இது பண்ண என்ன ஆன்சர் வரும் இங்கே height of parameter h is equal to 0.7397 m. ஓகேவா மீட்டர் 739.7 millimeter. Good answer. Next second question, how does a fish manage to rise up and move down in water? Answer, first point, fish manages to rise up in water by reducing its density by filling oxygen in bladder via the gills. Thus volume will be increased to support its ascending motion. Second point, fish moves down by decreasing its volume by releasing oxygen from bladder. Thus volume will be decreased, so it will sink in the water. Third one, if you put one ice cube in a glass of water and another in a glass of alcohol, what would you observe? Explain your observation. Answer, ice cube in water, as the density of ice cube is less than water, the ice cube floats in water. Ice cube in alcohol, as the density of ice cube is greater than alcohol, the ice cube will sink in alcohol. Note, density is equal to water is equal to 1.00, ice cube is equal to 0.917, alcohol 0.78. Okay, next fourth question, why does a boat with a hole in the bottom would eventually sink? Answer, a boat with a hole in the bottom eventually sinks due to the water entered through a hole will increase the weight of boat. The boat becomes heavier, so it cannot displace more water, so the boat sinks. Okay. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.